How to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
Easiest way to get hug big lips without surgery. Lip Plumper Remedy. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will share with you an effective remedy. It's make your lips bigger without surgery or injection. First thing, we need to add 2 tablespoons of Vaseline. One tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Then mix all the ingredients very well. Now microwave it for 10 seconds. Apply this plump on your lips for 20 minutes. Then use a tissue paper to remove it. And wash your lips with hot water. You must use this plump for 7 days. After using it for 7 days, you will get bigger lips. Oh, finally! I have this remedy help you too. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make thumbs up for this video.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.